Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. I am UV Prajesh again, and in this video I would like to talk about the newly unveiled 2021 next generation Hyundai Tucson SUV. This new generation Hyundai Tucson is expected to attract even more customers with its cutting-edge design, roominess, class-leading digital capabilities, dynamic ride and handling, and excellent fuel efficiency. This fourth generation Hyundai Tucson will be sold globally with a long wheelbase variant and a short wheelbase variant. The Tucson's new exterior styling expresses Hyundai's evolving sensuous sportiness design identity, with the front fascia featuring Hyundai's new parametric dynamics lighting style. The jewel-like headlamps and daytime running lights are seamlessly integrated into the cascading grille, giving the Tucson a unique look. Moving towards the sides, the new Hyundai Tucson features numerous sharp creases and muscular detailing, making it the most athletic-looking SUV. This kinetic design theme carries over to the rear, where the full-width tail lamps incorporates half-hidden triangular shapes, echoing the DRL on the front. On the side profile, it is also easy to see that certain design elements seem to be inspired by the Lamborghini Urus. The new Tucson's interspace interior offers layered, sensuous forms that provide a feeling of openness and serenity. The overall interior theme resembles that of the new Hyundai Creta, with the waterfall center console and the wraparound design of the dashboard.
The new Hyundai Tucson is likely to be available with
either a dual-tone interior theme or an all-black cabin, featuring premium soft-touch materials for the most part. The new Tucson interior offers 3 new technologies, including a vertically stacked dual 10.25-inch full touchscreen exempt of hard buttons, a multi-air ventilation system, and an open, hoodless digital gauge cluster. Additionally, ambient mood lighting with 64 colors and 10 levels of brightness will also be on offer. The full touchscreen will also be available with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, while being paired to a Bose premium surround audio system. The Tucson's new connected car tech will also allow customers to warm up the car, including heating system, heated steering wheel, and seat warmers with a single voice command. Additionally, Hyundai's Digital Key is an app that turns the customer's smartphone into a smart key. It uses near-field communication to detect authorized users so they can operate their vehicle without a physical key present. The Hyundai Tucson's new climate control and ventilation system monitors air quality in the vehicle and purifies the air. It indicates the real-time air pollution levels using the fine dust detection sensor. The Tucson is the first model to feature technology that reduces moisture from the evaporator and keeps the air conditioner system clean and free of odor, helping to maintain a pleasant environment inside the vehicle. Globally, the new Hyundai Tucson will be available with 2 engine options. The first one is a SmartStream 2.5-liter 4-cylinder direct-injected gasoline engine, producing a maximum output of 190 PS and an estimated torque rating of 182 pound-feet. This engine is coupled to an 8-speed automatic transmission for excellent efficiency and acceleration. The second powertrain on offer is a 1.6-liter hybrid powertrain, producing a combined output of 230 PS and 258 pound-feet of torque. This new hybrid powertrain uses continuously variable valve duration technology that manages valve operation duration for optimal power, efficiency, and emissions with minimized compromise. The new Tucson also features Hyundai's H-Track all-wheel drive system that provides sure footing on various road surfaces and conditions. This H-Track all-wheel drive system features multiple modes such as Eco, Comfort, Smart, Sport, Mud, Sand, and Snow. The new Hyundai Tucson claims to have more safety features than ever. The Hyundai Smart Sense safety feature suite includes highway driving assist, forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist, lane following assist, blind spot view monitor, blind spot collision warning, a surround view monitor, reverse parking collision avoidance assist, remote smart parking assist, high beam assist, and driver attention warning. The Tucson also features advanced smart cruise control with stop and go and safe exit warning. So that was all about the newly unveiled 2021 next generation Hyundai Tucson. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this new compact SUV. Meanwhile, this is UV Prajesh signing off.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, click the like buttons and give your comments.